College life is all about embracing freedom and making every dollar count. A motorcycle isn't just a vehicle. It's a practical solution to sidestep those hefty gas prices, exorbitant parking fees, and the frustration of being trapped in traffic jams. But for a student, the ideal bike needs to be more than just a ride. It must be cheap, dependable, and forgiving for those new to two wheels. Before we jump into our top picks, let's establish the criteria for the perfect college bike. Affordability is paramount. Whether you're buying new or used, low maintenance costs are crucial to keep your budget in check. And excellent fuel efficiency is a must for those daily commutes or weekend getaways. Most importantly, the bike must be easy to handle, providing a confidence-inspiring experience for new riders. We've handpicked models that excel in all four of these essential areas. Our first top pick is a true classic and the ultimate beginner machine, the Honda Rebel 300. This cruiser-style bike is renowned for its accessibility. It features a very low seat height, which allows riders of all sizes to plant their feet firmly on the ground, instantly building confidence. The 286cc engine is smooth, predictable, and incredibly forgiving, making it easy to learn on. Furthermore, its legendary Honda reliability and amazing gas mileage make it a perfect companion for the student budget. The Rebel 300 exudes a cool, casual vibe without even trying. If you're craving a bit more excitement and a more modern, aggressive look, then the Yamaha MT-03 deserves your attention. As a naked street bike, it ditches extra bodywork for a raw mechanical aesthetic. Its heart is an exciting 321cc twin-cylinder engine that delivers a responsive and thrilling ride. The MT-03 is lightweight and nimble, making it incredibly fun to flick through city streets or winding campus roads. While it's still perfectly manageable for a new rider, it has enough performance to keep you entertained long after you've tossed your graduation cap. Plus, its sharp styling will definitely turn heads on campus. For the student who dreams of the full sport bike experience, look no further than the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Don't let the Ninja name intimidate you. This bike is remarkably lightweight and surprisingly easy to handle. Its powerful 400cc engine provides excellent performance for both zipping around town and cruising on the highway, offering a versatility that many other starter bikes lack. It represents one of the best values in the sport bike market, delivering a package of performance and style that can grow with you as your riding skills develop. Finally, for those who want something a little different that truly stands out from the crowd, there's the KTM 250 Duke. This bike boasts a sharp, modern European design that is impossible to ignore. It's lively, quick, and packed with personality. The liquid-cooled engine delivers strong torque, making it a confident and capable machine for navigating city traffic. The Duke is known for its pure fun factor and razor-sharp handling, turning your daily commute from a chore into something you genuinely look forward to every day. Remember, the price of the motorcycle is just the beginning of your investment. Always budget for essential safety gear, including a high-quality helmet, a protective jacket, gloves, and sturdy boots. It is also wise to look into insurance rates and enroll in a local motorcycle safety course to build a strong foundation of skills. These bikes offer incredible freedom and reliability, but your safety should always be the top priority. Ride smart, gear up, and enjoy the open road. So, which one of these bikes is going to be your ticket to campus freedom? Let us know your pick in the comments below.